ex-employees, ex-officers of MMTC Limited. Okay. Then addressed by all units representatives I.V. Ranappa, Damodaran, Jana, Sahu, Unnikrishnan, Marathe, Chala Ramgopal, Unnala Saab, Vijay, Paparao. Paparao of course is not there. Like that all unit one person will come and address the mission. Resolution if any. We have a resolution of course. We have written first if any. Then MMTC Bangalore Sri Tangavallu address if he comes. He is DGM in charge of Bangalore today. He will come. Vote of thanks.
Daram Basma Bhushadharam Tam Anadim Yaparam Mahamohamaram Sivam Shankaram Shambhumichanamide Vatado Nivasam Mahattahasam Mahapapanasam Sadasu Prakasham Girisham Ganesham Suresham Mahesham Sivam Shankaram Shambhumichanamide Girindat Najasang Rehitat Deham Giravasam Sitav Sarvadapanna Giham Parabrahma Brahmadi Virvan Yamanam Sivam Shankaram.
Here I want to clarify, we have invited the Unionized Cadre Retired Employees Association to this meeting. I sent the message, I have talked to Talwar and all, the leaders there, and they told they will come back to me after discussion. They have never come back. Again I asked, Dur aane ko hota nahi bola. They told like.
Clarify this.
I have been nominated for attending this meeting and I have been asked to report the matter to the Delhi management, association management, what has exactly happened here. And we have an executive committee and this will be placed before the executive committee and decision will be taken.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, clear.
Really good. All of you that Delhi association is not keen in forming a federation.
We are only keen that they should
They are not keen. In fact, they have a feeling.
You cannot dictate terms.
They have. See, I will further clarify. Okay. You see, Delhi Association is situated in Delhi itself, having close and constant contact with the top management, including the chairman, the directors, and the chief general managers of the personnel division. Management. They have constant contact. And they have been they have been requesting the Delhi management to revive our medical benefits and any pending issues. And you may agree that whatever we have achieved with regard to the medical facilities, increase in the OPD, then this environment and more hospitals, etc., is mainly due to the effort of the Delhi association. This is a fact. I don't know how far the regional associations have been able to achieve all this.
You see,
Let me talk. Hello. Let me talk. See, they have got the access, easy
That's
access.
exactly I'm telling. That is
Okay,
why
one thing I'll tell you. So they are doing, going positively, of course.
it is not only for Delhi.
No, I know, that's not really.
All the retired people.
Positively they are going.
here I am coming. Here it's also okay.
See,
How
there
you
are
are telling that you are doing for all?
I
No,
know.
we know that it implies, but actually a letter is issued from the Delhi unit, but represents for everybody, correct, but it is not actually representing all associations. Only the Delhi unit is represented, they are putting a letter.
But you are the beneficiaries. Everybody is the beneficiary.
That is different, sir. We want to be with you.
Now it has
We want to be with you.
become each region has
We
to
join together
represent
and
either
form a
become-
federation that will strengthen the hands of.
We want to be with you.
No, Mr. Unikrishnan, by forming the forum, it doesn't mean that we are alienating from Delhi authorities. That is one thing. Secondly, even when forum is formed, we will have suitable position also for the Delhi.
Then I have another view. Why when the president and the other senior persons of the so-called federation is in Delhi and having the registered office in Bangalore, see that could not go to.
Secretary comes, secretary and treasurer, they will be interacting. Daily phone will be interacting.
Doesn't hold water because registration can be done anywhere in India.
Anywhere from
They can still be operating from their.
Delhi people.
But in Bangalore, many of the sons, many people have their own sons or daughters accommodation. And only few accommodation we have to manage, so we don't have to spend much on accommodation. One day this thing everybody will share and accommodation becomes very costly. Second thing, many of us has access to come to Bangalore. So it is easier to have a register office where people can come there. where people can hold meetings.
It may be registered
Anywhere.
like always Calcutta.
Mr. Prasad, registration is
Like this hypothetically, you take the opinion from each unit.
Because all along I have been listening to whatever you have been talking about on this particular issue. First thing is that you have mentioned already that those who are registered, they will be part of the federation. So we are not a registered body as far as our association is concerned. Goa is not a registered body. It is so they both of them will be out as far as today is concerned. Only after registration only they will decide to join the federation. As far as Delhi is concerned, because they are all the directors, chairmen, retired GM, CGM, they are all in the committee and they are holding the fort there. Now, if they are not in a position to do something with their influences, what the federation will be able to do? That is my personal view. So, in this matter particularly, we should not jump to any conclusion at this juncture because we are putting the cart before the horse. First, you find out how and what we are going to do after forming the federation. What are the issues that we have got? We have got only medical issue.
Right.
And for that, we should have a federation for that.
We have got certain other
No,
issues
no.
also we will discuss.
No, let him talk. Afterwards, everybody can talk. No problem. It
So,
is a majority decision we are going to. He is expressing his opinion.
we have got a major issue that is the medical. So medical concern and then some gratuity, some issue has come up and all that. So particularly this particular issue, now federation, to run the federation, you also require finance.
Yes.
Finance has to come from where? Unit will contribute. Now what? How much unit will contribute? What is our strength today?
As Mr. Unwala said, this question of subscription, purely it counts. How you are going to strengthen the hands of the federation unless you have the funds? You have the right question.
Funds in bylaws.
Subject we have
Money.
in the Madras unit we have discussed. That let everybody say, then that will come through our secretary.
See, now what we have discussed here, what we felt is that we have talked by phone all units, 20% or 10% of the income, 10 to 20% varying, will be income from the association will be given to federation. That is our one of the point.
This was this.
As you said, 10 to 20% of the contribution of the association. Now what the associations are contributing, what members are contributing, every association is having different rate.
That is
Now
their
how
will.
10 to
That is their
20%?
will.
That
That's their will.
means one unit will give less, the other will give more.
Naturally, see, they have got, Chennai got 200 people. So their contribution may be
No,
more.
I am not saying that.
We have
See,
got 50. Equal.
See, you should have say 20 rupees from member or 50 rupees from member. Then I can understand.
Membership is more, the money will be more. That doesn't mean that we should.
Membership, what it is, per member, at least.
That is not the criteria. Should be, membership should be on a fixed amount.
See, as you said about the having the president and secretary of particular region, we cannot reserve any post for anybody. What are we having? So I am not discouraging formation of the federation. Please don't take it. But these are my personal views, because we have seen in past formation anything is absolutely fine. Understand? But to run the federation, it is going to be very, very difficult.
What I am telling, listen and comment.
Whatever you want to achieve, you can get it only from Delhi people, not from here.
Yes, yes, you are right, you are right, you are right. You are right, you are right. You are 100% right. What I am telling, same thing. See, we want Delhi unit to be with us. We told them, we have written a letter to chairman, that is Agarwal, only that reason.
One has said,
yes.
We will try to form a federation and later we will prevail upon the Delhi people to take us along with them.
No, but,
Represent the cases, that's what.
we want Delhi unit to be with us. I expect 90% they are accepting. Rige, I talked to Rige, I talked to Bhikshu, I talked to Unnikrishnan, I talked to Adam Prakash. All are having a positive mind, not the against mind. Positive mind. I convinced them by talking politely and telling the things.
first thing we have to make our bylaw. That bylaw should be accepted by everyone. Democratically, we have to choose president, vice president, and office bearers and the executive committee members. Here, we are only discussing whether we have to form or not.
That's all.
That's our only
That's all.
one.
That's only one point.
Still, there is a very long way to go. After discussing, making a decision, then bylaw, then election. At that time only we have to go for registration.
Registration election is not required.
Registration has to mass-
Election is not required. You have to have members, positive mind, who wants to form, they can form. Because I want to go one by one. First we have to form the association. If I agreed, then bylaws are there. Bylaws will give. If I agreed, then whether tentative posts are required or not as per register office, that is only left to register office. If they don't want any post, we don't put any post. If at all they want some people, you have to post some.
there must be some post.
Then tentative list.
That is a preliminary committee. You can form a preliminary committee.
Same also list prepared.
Actually, you have to say it to the
Then,
promoters.
after the election, settled body
Founder,
election,
founder.
you can only say
What we made is a founder managing committee. Founder managing committee is the list.
though we are not having the muscle power or any other power or legal power to deal with the management, at least the biggest forum will have a say
Yes.
to the management.
Yes.
For that,
Through Delhi, of course.
for that,
Through
we include everybody.
Yes.
Democratically, we elect people. Though we are away, we will be corresponding to them and they will
You are right, you are right.
see the management.
Correct.
Jana.
1 minute, let Jana speak. Swami Kanna, 1 minute.
I just want it clarification.
Thank you very much.
No, we don't agree.
Sir, please wait. Let us hear
Thank you
Jana.
very much, friends. Yesterday, we met few of the persons representing all the units. Not all the units, but few units. But yesterday, on consensus, we arrived in a decision that federation or common forum of the retired employees likely to form, and there is no harm. But first, we have not discussed what we are going to achieve from the federation. Yes, it is mainly medical. If you say it is 100% or it is 95% medical only. So I endorse full views of Mr. Unwala. So when only in regard to medical we have to achieve to maintain the full status quo to the then, in that case we may on common consensus we can write a letter to the management. But for formation of a federation or common forum, we should take consent from all the units all over India, wherever the retired employees are there, that when we are not facing so much crisis immediately on the forum, we should take a concession from all the forum, all the units, and wait for the same. When we get the consent from Mr. Agarwal, what you are approaching from to taking the charge as a president, and Mr. Unwala or Goa unit or Bhaja unit, whatever, full consent we will receive. On that time also we can rethink about it. Yes. Otherwise, we should we should wait for that.
This forum has felt that a common forum of All India Ex-Employees Association is a necessity to take up the cause of MMTC's ex-employees. Today, it may be medical issue. Tomorrow, it may be something more than this. There are a lot of genuine issues that are hanging in courts or in the ads of MMTC, which are yet to be addressed. Apart from welfare of MMTC's ex-employees, a strong united forum may also be required to lead our genuine issues at ministry, DPE, or at government levels. Let us not think after the problem. Let us think for solution before it approaches us. All units in one voice request Delhi units to understand our feelings and react with responsibility. Differences, if any, can be mutually discussed and sorted out. Therefore, it was decided to wait for feedback from constituent units and act in majority. See the roots? Like ex-employees' fate, all are opened up as they are pushed up by Mother Earth. But still they are interlocking themselves to become strong and stable. Let us follow them and soon strengthen ourselves. Yours, Challa Ramagopal.